Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you today how to replace your evap sensor for your Chrysler Jeep vehicle. These things tend to go out quite frequently on Jeeps, especially Wranglers or any Chrysler vehicle in general. And what you'll get is a check engine light on. Now, I've had this scanned using my OBD2 reader, and it shows code P0457, which can either be a loose gas cap, which I have replaced, so it's not that, or it could be under the back of the vehicle. If you get underneath, you'll see a little hose connected to a white thingy up there, and you always want to ensure that that hose is connected to that white thingy, otherwise that can trip the code. But as you can see, mine's intact. So the third thing I'm going to try now is the actual evap sensor. Now, to find the evap sensor on Jeep Wranglers, it's on the driver's side. Pretty easy. You don't even have to get fully under the vehicle. Get under here, and as you can see, it's located right here. A little dirty from all this off-roading that I do, but that's what we're going to be replacing. Okay, so there's three things you need to remove in order to take off the evap sensor. You need to remove this hose, you need to remove this sensor here, and then there's a little pin here that you can push in to unlock the evap sensor, and then you're going to rotate it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and it'll come right out. This is the second one that I've replaced on this vehicle, and it cured my check engine light code P0457. So here we go. All right, off goes the sensor. Off goes the hose. Sometimes easier said than done. There goes the hose. And then push in this clip, rotate, and it pops right off. Now, after you remove the evap sensor, there is a O-ring right in here that you can remove, because when you get your new one, it should come with a new O-ring that you can put in there and be good to go. Okay, and then all you have to do to prep the new one is pull off this little cap here. Now, to put the new one on, you just reverse the steps. So you're going to want the sensor plug on this side, push it in, kind of rotated till it pops in, and then twist clockwise until it locks, like so, and then put your plug back on till it clicks, and your hose, and we are finished. Okay, and that is all there is to it to replacing your evap sensor. Now, most likely your check engine light will still remain on. You're gonna have to use an OBD2 reader, scanning tool to disable the check engine light. And you'll know if that has solved the problem if you go through at least you clear the code and you go through a full tank of gas and the check engine light remains off, then you know it fixed the problem. So, like I said, it's fixed the problem for me in the past. And from what I've read on Chrysler forums, this is just a part that fails that you need to replace. If you would like to order one, I found it the cheapest I've ever found it on Amazon. Link is below. I think it was $23 for this part. And anyways, I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and I hope it solves your Jeep's P0457 code issue. Thank you.